friends, this is Dawn from Randy, Dawn and a Marathon Coach, and we're here at RiverLandings RV Resort with our friend Rick Smith. He is the creator and the brains behind this wonderful park that is evolving daily. It's really coming along, and it's really good to see you too.
Good to see you.
You too,
Yeah.
man. It's been a while.
It's been a
Glad
while.
you guys made it.
Yeah, we're glad to be here.
Definitely.
We
We
actually
would not miss it.
no.
We would
Yeah.
not miss being here.
came for a little event today. So Rick, tell us, River Landing, tell us what's unique about River Landing. What sets you apart and what are some of the different things that you're doing? Well, first of all, let's start at where you're located and what some of the benefits of your location are.
Sure. So we're located just outside of Fort Myers on State Road 80, in between Fort Myers and LaBelle. And we're located right on the Caloosahatchee River.
Okay.
So the Caloosahatchee River is one of the rivers that actually runs from the Atlantic Ocean to the Gulf of Mexico. A number of our owners have boats, and so we have 11 boat slips, and we have a private island out in the middle of the river.
Oh, cool.
Makes it very,
And
very cool.
we'll show you a little bit of that in a little bit.
Yes, and so the other things that really make us unique is the fact that we are small but elite, if you will. You know, with 64 lots, we're now broke ground on our enclosed storage, big enough you can leave your bus in right here on site. And of course, we're in the clubhouse.
Yes,
which
we're
has been a long
yes,
time coming.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
some unique things in your clubhouse that you're doing.
Yes, well, as you can see, I don't know if you can see or
Yeah.
not, but our bar over here is actually going to be a ship. And we decided to do that because our theme has always been the Hemingway Pilar Tommy Bahama atmosphere.
Okay.
And so a lot of what we do here kind of carries over. It's just really about relaxation.
Okay.
So we decided to, rather put a normal square bar in, we actually made a ship, and it's going to look similar to the Pilar, which was Hemingway's boat.
Okay.
And so it's going to be full service there. And so that's probably one of the unique things that we're doing here, along with some of the other amenities on the other side in the wellness area. With our, with the gym, we're doing an infrared sauna room.
Oh.
Instead of a steam room, it's actually infrared. And then we're in the process of doing a salt cave, which is really good for your soul and your body.
Oh.
And so it's really interesting to see some of this stuff come on board.
That really supports the relaxing
Yeah.
atmosphere that you're promoting.
Yes.
Exactly.
And that's
Very
really what
nice.
we're about. You know,
Yeah.
and as you've seen probably around, our coach houses are the largest in the state when
Okay.
it comes to a motor coach resort.
So square footage, you can go up to what here?
1,812 with a
Wow.
pool.
That's
With a pool.
with a pool.
You have your own private pool, which a number of our customers do, and screened in patios. And the other unique feature is, you've of course got your garage, your bedroom, your bathroom, and your kitchen, but also our coach cover.
Yeah, talk about that a little bit. It's kind of unique because, as you know, it's Florida, the sun is hot, but you've actually come up with something I don't think anybody else has, correct?
No.
It's actually a cover, and we'll show you a little bit of what that looks like, but explain a little bit what that is and the fact that you can actually, your satellite still works even though your bus is covered, correct?
Yeah, sure. We designed that fabric in working with some of the manufacturers to see what that signal strength would need to be in order to come through the fabric. So we got with the fabric and we got with the satellite folks. And this fabric is made in such a way that it's not waterproof, but it is water resistant. But it's thin enough that will allow that signal to shoot through the canvas. So no matter where your coach is sitting on the lot, you'll get your signal
Wow,
through that.
that's very unique.
And then those covers are made to come off when you leave in the summer, and we roll them up and put them in your
Oh.
garage. That
So
way,
they're not here all year.
Yes.
Interesting. Didn't know
And
that.
so, yeah, and we designed the coach cover with every coach in mind. So from the tallest to the shortest, and the location of the bars underneath, so that any coach can get in and underneath there and then use your satellite.
Wow, what a
So,
well
yeah,
thought out,
yeah, and that's-
well thought out plan.
Yeah, very well thought out. And I think that's what's unique about River Landing is all the different things they have done from the clubhouse and the unique things they're doing here to the coach cover to the individual pools. And you're right, it's a great size, and we've been here a few times and attended. Matter of fact, this week was a Mardi Gras festival that we had a lot of fun, and River Landing does a great job of putting on events. So, whether you want to come and visit here, stay for a weekend or a long week, It's a great place to come to. If you want to look at lots, I think you have phase 1 about complete,
Yep, we
correct?
have 2 lots left in phase 1, and then we'll be releasing phase 2.
Phase 2.
Right after the clubhouse is finished. And so those will go on sale probably late March.
Okay.
Early April.
Okay,
So we're expecting, if everything goes well, this clubhouse being close to wrapped up by the end of season round.
awesome,
So,
awesome.
yeah.
Yeah, and Rick holds kind of a Prevost end of season, and what's the dates of that?
Yep, March 26, 27, 28.
Okay.
We just sent the announcement out today. And we partner with Prevost on that, and we bring all the new converters,
Yep.
Marathon and the rest of them to come down, and it's kind of right before everyone is getting ready to leave.
Yep,
And so we come together, we usually have, I think last year we had 65 buses here.
wow, that's a
Last
big
year.
gathering.
Plus
Plus the
11
show
converters.
coaches.
Yeah,
Wow.
so we had, I think the tally was 130 people total. And then we also have entertainment. We have something special this year that we're doing, which is going to be really, really cool. That just got confirmed this morning. I don't think anybody knows about it, but we're going to be doing an auction here, and all the proceeds are going to go to St. Jude.
Wow, what a great cause.
Yeah,
Great
so
cause.
during the end of season event,
Yep.
we've got a professional auctioneer coming in.
Nice.
And we're going to hold the auction, and then all the proceeds will go to St. Jude.
So are there openings, like if someone's watching today and they want to attend, still have openings?
We do. We just released it today. We've already got about 10 that have already signed up.
Okay.
So the earlier the better. You get in there and get your deposit in, and we'll reserve your spot.
Okay,
And so, and one of the things I like to tell everybody, we try to have everybody on a lot, but as you know from parties past, we also have full hookups right along the street.
yep.
So everybody will have full hookups.
right.
So
Yeah, it may not be on a lot, but the streets are very wide. I've done that before. It's very accommodating. It's not a big issue. So whether you have a Prevost now, whether you're in some other motorhome, it's a great event to come to, not to only meet people who are living the lifestyle in the Prevosts, but also, like Rick said, Marathon, Liberty, Featherlight, everyone will be here. So it's a great chance to look at a lot of coaches, look at the different conversion companies, see what River Landing has to offer, and kind of just what this is all about. So it's exciting.
And
So-
get to meet the people.
Yeah, the people.
The people is the big thing. You know, we have a lot of good people that come. It's always been a great time, and it's always good getting the converters together and the camaraderie that happens with everybody. It's just a good time.
And Rick has a great staff here. They do a great job. So anytime you come here, you're very, very well taken care of. So
Yeah.
definitely check those dates. See if you can
Yep.
make it up to River Landing for the kind of the year of the end event. So
If you have any questions, they can call us at 863-612-0104.
awesome.
Perfect.
Well, Rick, thank you so
Yeah.
much for your time.
Thank you, buddy.
Dawn
It's
and
always
I
good to
love,
see you.
love
Thank you for
coming
your
here and
dream.
seeing you.
We love
Yeah.
your
Yes.
dream.
Well,
Here it
you-
is.
You've been playing a role in it for
Yes,
years.
yes, yes. So-
It's all good, man.
It is all
It's all
good.
good.
you.
So
All
thanks.
right.
Well, thanks everyone. Like I said, check out River Landing and keep watching Randy Dawn in a Marathon Coach.